Hi guys, I have done a project, so I wanna just kind of quickly walk through what I had done today. So I had create a kind of like purse, foam purse, just kind of like simple, a purse that I can carry somewhere without getting a whole bag or whole wallet of stuff. So this is super easy. Let me see what was in it. Okay, so it's my phone, and then I create some pocket, so you can put a credit card here, right here, and some maybe a money here, or credit cards, tickets here. I might actually draw a hole like here and here, and then maybe make a chain so I can actually make like crossbody kind of purse, small purse. So yeah, so it's just super easy. This whole thing was done by 8.5 by 11 paper from Echo Park. I got from Joann sale. It was heavy paper, it's 110 pounds. There's like 4 or 5 designs, so I picked this flowery design, so I picked this pink one, and then I got all this Joann, really charm, and then the Elex core. This I had got to Amazon, but it's not very easy to use. And that's how I make this one. And then I put more charm here, so it's just kind of prevent this going through the hole, I guess. And then these I use 6 by 6 and just cut accordingly and just make for the side, for the cover, side cover. So yeah, that's it. It took me like what, 20 minutes maybe. One mistake I did was, because this is a heavy paper, 110 pounds. When I went through the machine, lamination machine, I should have changed the setting for heavy paper instead of regular thinner paper, so I have more pressure to it. Because now I can feel like some of the sections already come out, like separate from the paper. Probably not too much pressure, but it's just something I did first time. I want to try it out. So yeah. So that's how I want to show you today. Well, happy Thursday. Please subscribe my channel and leave comment suggestions and click on the bell for notification. Okay, take care. Bye.